Trane not heating. Here's the safe step-by-step reset to get your heat back fast. Tools needed. Flashlight, a new air filter optional. A paper towel, a small brush for light dust. A phone camera to record error blinks. Safety first. Power off before opening panels. Never bypass safety switches. If you smell gas, stop, leave the area, call your gas utility. If the unit repeatedly trips after reset, call a licensed HVAC pro. Steps. 1. Cut power. Locate the furnace service switch near the unit or the breaker. Turn it off. Confirm lights, fans stop. 2. Remove the access panel. Lift, slide off the front door. Note: a door switch cuts power when the panel is off. Keep it in mind for reassembly. 3. Find the reset, if equipped, common spot, blower compartment, small red button on near the blower motor housing. Alternate. Manual reset, limit rollout near the burners. Small button centered on a round oval disc. Not every Trane has a push to reset. If you don't see one, you'll do a power cycle only. 4. Press and hold. Press the red button firmly 3 to 5 seconds. If you feel a click, it was tripped. Do not repeatedly reset a hot blocked unit. 5. Reinstall the door. Seat the panel fully so the door switch engages. 6. Restore power. Turn the switch breaker on. 7. Watch a normal startup, inducer fan starts, small fan sound, pressure switch closes, hot surface igniter glows. Orange. Gas valve opens, burners light, steady blue flame, blower starts after a short delay. 8. If it doesn't light or trips again, go to quick troubleshooting below. Don't keep forcing resets. Quick troubleshooting. Dirty filter, replace. Restricted airflow, trips, limit switches. Blocked intake, exhaust, PVC outside. Clear leaves, ice debris. Condensate clog, 90+% models. Clear trap tubing. Ensure condensate pump has power. Thermostat, heat mode, +3 to 5 degrees Fahrenheit above room temp, fresh batteries. LED blink, count the pattern. Match to the code chart inside the panel. When to call a pro. Rollout, trips again, burning smell, water pooling, igniter never glows, or repeated lockouts after fixes. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gaming audio and tech tutorials.